Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. This is another in my series of Let's Clean Out the Shop. I had made this cover for a tome. It's Nik the Booksmith style, and I never got around to making the tome that I thought was going to go with it. I actually had a different cover for the tome that I did. So I had this cover left over, and I had a little box, because this is the travel kit. I had a little box that I had, was kind of my initial practice box, and I had kept it around for doing measurements for all the other travel kits that I've made. But it was like, okay, I've got it now. I've made enough travel kits. I understand what I'm doing, so I don't need my sample anymore, but I need to use it somewhere. So that's where this travel kit came from. And the papers and things in here are from this Stamperia kit. I use this for my Deserted Island journal, and I used it for two previous journals that I recently shared with you, and this one. So like I said, when you have pricey paper, make it go a long way. So if you open this up, this is a piece of the Stamperia 12 by 12 paper scored to create this pocket. And there's just some handmade paper and tags and some line paper in here that can be used. The book that is made for this kit has a 3/4 inch spine, and the outside, this is book cloth and some trim from Michael's, and then this is some of the Stamperia paper on the outside as well as on the inside. This journal is using leftovers of papers that I have used in previous journals. There's this is a linen paper, there's some craft paper, there's a couple different kinds of parchment paper, some tea-dyed papers. It's just a mixture of, I think, just very pleasing colored papers that one could use to do whatever kind of journal one wanted. And then once again, the back here has some more of the Stamperia paper. The kit for this one has leftovers from the previous two books that I shared with you that were using Dreams, etc. Items, and there's a lot of leftover ephemera that I didn't use, so I have all of these items that are actually, I think this is from Winged Elements, and I think these are from the Collaged Rose collection. There's some little tags. This has a little set of those folding scissors. I really like that because the way it folds over, it protects the point and you don't stab yourself. Some washi tape, some sari silk, some seam binding that I marbled when I was doing marble paper recently. The little clip that you can use to clip things to the cover of your kit. Some buttons and a little crochet piece there. So once again, I'm using up items, but I think that it shows the versatility of taking things even from different kits and different places that you have things stored, and putting them all together and being sure to use up everything that you have. No sense letting things go to waste. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed seeing this, and maybe it will give you some ideas about using up things in your own stash. Bye.